Hi, it's Miss Cooper, and I'm reading Otters Underwater by Jim Arnowski. He's a pretty famous naturalist, and he loves to look at nature and go out in nature and sketch. And so the more you observe nature, the more you know about it. Otters Underwater. It is morning, and the sun is shining softly on the pond. Two young otters glide by, making ripples on the water. From the bank, the mother otter watches her pups. Swimming side by side. Swimming in a line. Rolling on their backs, holding their breath, then diving. Underwater, they hunt for fish and crayfish. They see newts and snapping turtles. Otters can hold their breath for a long time. The two sneak under floating ducks. They follow slow muskrats. Otters can swim fast. One pup chases a yellow perch. The other pup catches a silver minnow. Then at once the pups pop up to the surface to breathe and find their mother still watching from the bank. It is morning and the sun is shining softly. Beautiful pictures, right? How about when they're underwater and the author, and I mean, excuse me, he's also the illustrator. The illustrator catches the sunlight streaking through the water and catches the curious look that otters have. Such curious creatures. Did you notice the shape of otters? They're made for swimming. Their long body shape is just so efficient in the water. Can you think of other animals that you know that have that same sleek body shape made for swimming that aren't fish? All right. Thanks for watching this. See you soon, I hope.